Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a how-to video on installing this Escort Redline 360c radar detector. We're going to do a hardwire I purchased off of Amazon. I'll put the link below. These lines that have a little tap. I'm not quite sure, some kind of like tap connection where you'll put it in behind the plug. To hardwire the unit. This is going to be a really simple how-to video. It's something that you guys can do, especially if you already own a Escort radar or you're looking to get one or whatever. I don't usually speed in my car. I use this for my Porsche, but I want it for the GV60 as I do road trips, and then also I kind of geek out on some of this stuff. So hang tight. We're going to get started and kind of show you what we're going to do. Literally, it's going to be a pretty simple install that hopefully will help you out if you decide to purchase a radar detector or have one you want to hardwire it into your GV60. Okay, first things first, we're going to have to remove this piece here, this little piece of trim, as you can see here. There is, it's going to be hard to show you, but there's a little clip right here that we're going to first move out just to get it out of the way. There we go. And it's just a little clip that goes over here that covers this line here. And then what I'm going to try to do while I've got the camera is figure a way to remove this centerpiece right here. Let's see. There we go. Alrighty. So here's the connector here, or the little plastic trim piece, and then as you can see, this is the connector we're going to pull out for right now and then tap it in and see if it works. Let me get this connector out. It's pretty simple. There's just a little clip here, and well, maybe I can do it. I'll have to do it with just with both hands. So hang on, it's just this little clip here that you push forward, and then it should just pop out. So bear with me, and I'll come right back once I have it disconnected. All right, here we go. So I've disconnected the connector, and you see the red wire here, and then right after this, there'll be a wire in between, and then the black wire, that's your ground wire. So the red wire we're going to use for positive and black for ground. And I'm going to figure out which one of these connectors I'm going to use, the best one to go in there and get connected. And what you'll do is, let me get a little zoom here. Okay, sorry for all the shaking. These will go in, just slide right in side where these wires go in. So I just got to find the right one to use, and then I'll let you know, and then we'll get it connected, test the radar, get it mounted, and that should be it. So I've already tested the power, and it'll cut off once you turn the ignition off on the car. It'll shut the power, so the radar detector will go off as well. So that should be a problem, but those are the two wires. The red wire, there's one in between, like a green brownish color wire, and then the black wire, which is your ground. So hold on just a second. Let me figure out which one, and we'll come right back. All right, so I figured we're going to use the real thin connector here. So I've got the red already in there. I'm just going to secure the black one, and then for the ground, and that should be it. And the beauty about all this is you don't have to tape it up or secure it. It's perfect just the way it is. They stick in there, they'll stay. Everything will look good. I can use, and I might, just in case, use, kind of use the, let me scan out, use just a zip tie that came with it, and I might put the zip tie around this just to secure it. Other than that, that should be it. So I'll go ahead and get that connected, get everything buttoned back up, and then I plan on putting the radar for right now here. Eventually I might do one of those blend mounts that connect onto the mirror mount here, but I'm not quite sure yet. So let me get everything buttoned up back together, and we'll get the car turned on, and you'll see the radar connect once the power's on in the car. All right, guys, we are back. Everything looks pretty good. I've got the plastic trim piece back on. I've got the wire just kind of laid up inside the headliner. Everything looks good. It's pretty high up. You do notice I do have the radar detector set a slight angle down a little bit. So what you kind of want to do is just a little bit down. And I think everything works good. The beauty about these red lines or the Escorts is now you can just kind of lift it up and it comes off the mount. It's all magnetic, which is cool. So I'll have one of these in my Porsche and then one here, so I'll be able to just come in and out really quick at whatever car I'm driving. So we'll turn the power on.
Press brake pedal.
And let's see here one more time to get the accessories on. And there you go. The radar has turned on. So once I turn the power off, you'll see it'll go off, and power will go off, and that will pretty much about do it. Appreciate again you watching the video. This is just a kind of a how-to series on installing a radar detector. This one is an Escort, hardwired into the power source for the mirror. Works great. Very simple. This is probably a 10-15 minute project, 20 at the most, and you'll have a hardwired radar. So until the next video, make it a great day. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell.